Okay, this is a short little video on how I put my original tractor cab and snowblower onto my John Deere 345. This tractor is about 25 years old now. It's still in real good shape. Has about 1,200 hours on it. The cab is suspended from the ceiling. I have a little hand winch going up there to the ceiling. That's to the peak of the roof. It's kind of nice because it stays out of the way, not running over it, not backing into it or anything. We'll show you how he comes down here in a second. Okay, let's see if we can get this thing taken down. Just use my drill with an 18mm socket. See if this works. Okay, I think the tractor needs pushed back just a wee bit. That doesn't look too bad. A couple springs here we got to disconnect. Those will go underneath the machine. Kind of strap it down. That's set in there pretty good. I'm going to show you what I have here to hook this up. See, what I've done is just kind of substituted the 1/4-inch bolts that were in there for eye bolts. And I took, I think it's 3/16 cable, crisscrossed them there, put like a little carabiner clip on the end of the cable there. Goes up to a pulley, over, and back down to my winch. Okay, well, we got her all hooked up, all tied down. Wasn't that difficult there. I didn't feel like showing everything on it because it's just a little too long sometimes. Now, I did not hook up the lights on it this year. Don't plan on doing any snow blowing or plowing in the evening because I'm retired now, so I really don't have to. So I can do this in daylight now. But actually it worked in there pretty good. I got the wires for the headlights there. I can hook them up real easy, just hook them up to the battery. Not a real big deal. But this cab does well. One thing I didn't like about it when I first got it was this apron down at the bottom of the door would always flap up and down and snow would fall in there and everything. So what we basically did, or what I did, is I put grommets the whole length of that rod and then put zip ties in it. And that keeps it from flapping up. You can just see how I did that. It wasn't real hard. The grommets and the tool for it was about $10, I think, on Amazon. Not a big deal. Now we're going to put the snow blower and the chains and the rear wheel weights on it. Okay, I think we're all ready for the snow. There's the 345. The original tractor cab on it, chains, the tighteners, the snow blower. Hey, this is kind of nice with the snow blower. You know, I run it all pretty much from the inside of the cab. There's a crank here, and that'll turn the direction. And there's another control here that you can pull, and that'll angle the chute up or down. You can do that from the whole way from the cab, which is kind of nice. I got my slow moving vehicle placard on. Not that I'm ever going to use it. So this year though, I have a plow for the 585. Got that back in October. I'd been looking for one, better part of a year, I guess. Saw quite a few on Facebook Marketplace now and then, but they were all 300, 400, and 500 miles away, some of them. Some as far as Cincinnati or Allentown. I really didn't feel like driving that far. And they wanted $1,000, $1,200 for them. Well, my gosh, I found out I could buy one brand new for $1,400 plus tax, so about $1,500 with the tax. And that was right down here, local at my John Deere dealer. It's a 54-inch, hydraulically controlled, both tilt and up and down, left and right, and up and down. So I think that'll work pretty good. Now, the last few years, we haven't really had that much snow. And the snow that we did get was pretty much very heavy and wet. So the blower didn't work too good. This is just a single stage snow blower, so it doesn't really pick it up too good. I made a little modification to it this year. If you can see it, I put a piece of rubber on the inside of those paddles, thinking that'll pick up a little more snow. I don't know. I saw it on the internet. Hopefully it'll work. We'll find out this year if we get any snow. Right now it's raining. It's I think it's the 1st of December right now. So it's raining today. I got everything all ready for Snowmageddon. And if it doesn't show up this year, I'll be happy with that too.